What the hell happened, man? I thought we were just doing an oil change. What the fuck is going on here? All right, today on Riva's Radical Rides, we're over at Luke's shop where things have gotten pretty serious. Luke, you want to explain what happened over here?
Oh, fuck.
All right, so literally the only thing we're not touching is the engine and transmission. That's probably like a first for any build. But we're doing frame upgrades. We're boxing the frame in some spots where the roll cage is going to be coming in. We're putting in a 6-point cage. Just stiffen up the chassis because when this thing launches, man, does it ever, like, you can see it in the videos of how the box moves and stuff. So, and then Luke went ahead and ordered a slider kit for the rear suspension. He got some Caltrax parts. Apparently when we built this upside down. They still work, but not the way they were designed to work. So all part of the program to getting Luke faster and hook up better and get rid of those 1.7 60-foot times. He's just coming off the sauce. Yeah. So we started welding in the frame plates and it's going very well, except Luke screwed up a little bit, but it's okay. We're gonna fix it. Basically we've got plates to box up the frame here so that the roll cage has a place to land. We want to put the roll cage coming in between the two spring mounts just to spread the load evenly, so like get less flex. And basically we're getting close to where the leaf springs are gonna be. But yeah, we'll video more when we get almost done. All right, so we've got both plates in and our crossbar at the back. That's now going to be our shock mounting spot and our tank mounting spot. So we're going to run a little piece of square tubing and our tank's going from there to there. We wanted to weld that in. Am I preventing you from something?
I'm going to grind anyways?
Carry on. So basically we put that in so that we could cut that out after, and that stayed in there so we don't lose stability in the chassis. So right now Luke's grinding the top off the rivets, and then we're going to hammer them through with an air chisel. Luke's done a lot of work so far. He's pretty much gutted the interior, installed the seats he wanted to put in. So we're going to do a 6-point cage. So basically a main hoop, bars to the front, bars to the back. We're not doing it really for safety, but we are. It's like 2 for 1 really. Luke's chassis, those S10 chassis are pretty flimsy. So basically why we're doing it is to stiffen it up a little bit. So hopefully when he launches, he's not as flexing. All right, with the frame rail braces in and the cross member in, we welded on some tabs here for the fuel cell, which is right there. So it's a traditional plastic cell. Both sides are gonna come up. So basically what's gonna happen is we're gonna weld some bolts in there. So there's like kind of studs hanging down. When you put the tank up, you can just start a nut, good to go. For the back of the frame, we got a piece of square tubing right here. Once that's done, we're gonna bolt the tank in place. Then we're gonna find out where the bar goes and we'll tack that in and kick some ass and take some names.
I don't think this is gonna work.
It's dead. You know you can fix those up though.
These shit fucking Canadian Tire junk ones aren't worth fucking fixing up. I've tried.
That looks neat.
Yeah, it does, but it's really big.
All right, that's it for part one. I'm gonna call this part one. I don't even know if we filmed any other stuff when we tore stuff apart.
I didn't film anything when I tore it apart.
Okay, so this is part one. Basically, we got the cross member done, fuel cells in place. The next thing that's gonna happen while I'm gone to Vegas, because I'm going to Vegas. Luke's getting a button up the whole back end of this. Have the diff in, all the suspension in. And by the time we get back, probably be able to start working on the roll cage.